Welcome to the next episode of our TSDC podcast. I am Neha Chauhan, your host for the day. Today we have Assistant Professor Aparna Kulkarni. She is Faculty and IQAC Coordinator of Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Neha. It's a pleasure being here.
So, ma'am, our question for the day is, I would just like to first have an introduction of a basic overview of your background into TSDC.
I've been with TSDC for quite some time, but I have an overall teaching and research experience of over 10 years. Even as an IQAC coordinator, I love to promote research culture within our faculty members. And I'm really glad to tell you there are so many faculty members who are pursuing their PhD. A lot of them have been a part of different patents. And it makes me extremely happy to see that our teaching faculty is coming up with such new concepts every single day. Even with the patent that we have come up with, it is quite a unique concept, which I'll talk about later.
Firstly, congratulations, ma'am, for getting your patent approved on display device for digital marketing.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can you please tell us overview of what or your contribution on this particular patent?
For sure. See, by now you know I have been a professor and a lecturer in the whole management department. So आजकल के लोगों का अगर हम नज़रिया देखें, बहुत बार ये होता है कि there are so many marketing activities happening simultaneously at the same time. लोग देखते निकल जाते हैं, उनका ध्यान भी नहीं रहता. So for that, what you need is more of engagement from their end. So if we have more of an interactive device, engagement will be more. यही एक कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ वी डिज़ाइन दिस पेटेंट, वी डिज़ाइंड अ काइंड ऑफ डिस्प्ले डिवाइस जिसके अंदर जितना ज़्यादा हम इंटरैक्टिव रखें उतना ज़्यादा एंगेजमेंट होगा, उतना ज़्यादा आपका मार्केटिंग सक्सेसफुल होगा.
Okay, ma'am. That's a very great innovation and contribution towards this particular patent.
Thank you so much. One thing that I've realized over a period of being a professor is that the attention span is becoming lesser and lesser over the generations. The main part about this device is making sure that people get attracted to the marketing campaign that has been conducted. The need for this was exactly that. And my contribution to this was understanding this need, analyzing this need, and bringing in the whole idea of why this device was needed in the market at this point.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us these insights. And we expect and hope for more such patents in future from you.
Thank you so much, Neha. It was an absolute pleasure discussing our work with you. And I really hope this inspires my colleagues and my students to engage more and more in research work.
So we come to the end of our podcast. Stay tuned for more such insights. I am Neha Chauhan signing off for the day.